In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Dashboard Summary AI feature. This feature allows you to get the most important data really quickly without needing to stare at raw numbers. You can instantly uncover trends and spot risks so you can take action as soon as possible. The AI dashboard feature doesn't just summarize, it will also explain. It will give you context-rich insights on revenue peaks or performance drops, and also next step recommendations so you can stay on top of your game at all times. Let me show you how you can make faster and smarter business decisions with this feature. So first you want to click on dashboards on the left and then select the dashboard in question. So if there's a drop-down menu right here, you can select any dashboard that you've previously created. In this particular example, we have contact counts for the last 31 days, opportunity status. There's 42 opportunities contacts in our pipelines. 19 contacts have been listed by the source, so where did they come from, direct traffic, and so on. So this overview right here can be summarized by this particular button. Okay, so this is the summarize dashboard with AI button for the entire dashboard. However, for each widget that you can create, and you can fully customize each widget as well, you can also get AI insights for each particular widget. So let's start with the summary for the entire dashboard first. Click the button and you will see the AI starts working immediately on it. It reads through the entire dashboard, it collects all the data, and it provides a summary. And tada, here you have your dashboard summary. So as I said earlier, it doesn't just summarize the data, but it will also give you hints on what is happening. Like for example, here, there is a slight decrease in value by 0.77% compared to the previous period. You can obviously change the period right here under the dates when you want to pull the data and pull the summaries, so that you can identify downwards trend before they hurt your revenue. Then the final insights right here based on all the data is focus on improving the conversion rate by analyzing the sales funnel and addressing bottlenecks to enhance opportunity progression and conversion. For this always to be accurate, of course, please make sure that you work your pipeline correctly, that you close the deals that you've closed so they can show up here and that you have all of these settings set correctly. Now let's try a summary of a widget. So let's go to the contacts count widget. Let's click AI Insights. And here you get a little pop-up with the insights of this particular widget. Then it will tell you the category which dominates with 94%, whilst another category trades at 5%. And then here is the warning, hey, consider exploring why not applicable category, for example, is so high and address potential data categorization issues. And then you can keep going and do this for all of the other widgets as well by just simply clicking this button right here. And again, for the opportunity status, it will pull the data and it will give you another summary for this particular widget only. Then you can click the copy button right here and paste it into a Word document that you want to share with your colleagues, for example. If you're happy with the summary, give it a thumbs up. If you're not happy with the summary, give it a thumbs down, and always provide feedback. If you want to redo the whole thing, just click this arrow button and then it pulls again the data and redoes the whole job. Please note that you as the user have to turn on AI Employee to be able to use the summary features inside the dashboard widgets as well as for the entire dashboard. And if you want to go out and learn how to sell different AI features based on GohighLevel to your local community, click the link on this video or book a connection call with me and we will see how we can help. And smash that subscribe button, leave me a like, and I will see you in the next one.